Hey guys, it's your girl Ash and I'm back with another video. Today I will be baking fried chicken. So here I have seasoning. I have a little flour in here. Already seasoned and prepped. I'll be doing some chicken leg. Ready to be put together. So right here I'm just going to remove them from the pan. They're still a little frozen. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. At this moment, I will be adding 2 eggs, mustard, cayenne pepper, onion powder, paprika, garlic powder, chicken season, and some seasoned salt. I will be using my hand to mix all the ingredients together. Adding flour to seasoning. We're going to turn the stove on high. We're going to use some canola oil. Here's my chicken. Squeeze on the mustard and everything. I'll make it a mess. Just gonna squeeze it on right on it. Right in it. Just squeeze it on right here. See? And set it right here on the pie paper to set while the oil's hot. Be where you are, cross the hardest days, travel near or far for your glory. Please leave a comment on what content you would like to see. We'll be checking the temperature to see how far it is. Let's put our chicken in. Here we go. The temperature of the oil should be 350 degrees. It should take 20 to 25 minutes to be fully fried. Here I'm preparing a napkin to lay my chicken down. I use it to prevent the chicken from being greasy. I'll be removing my chicken. I'm checking the chicken to see if it's fully cooked. The chicken should be 165 degrees. This is some delicious air fry fries. Ready to serve.